Hello guys, welcome back. In today's episode we'll be talking as usual Ethereum and BTC price actions, bull and bear scenario for both of them. Before I start, I would like to remind you, if you want to see more videos how to trade successfully, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell to get an instant updates. Ethereum under 30-minute time frame, once we broke 0.5 level, which is 1240, as I mentioned in the previous video, we start going further up, and it provided a nice bullish signal. 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame we can see the same scenario. Again, as you can see, we got rejected right from 382, retested again, came back, dollar to dollar rejection. Once we broke 0.5 level, again the same level, we went further up. 2 hour time frame is slightly different. It is bullish since we broke 1250. However, we are facing the rejection from 786 level, which is, as you can see, 1355 level. And if we're going to count, we have got 8 2-hour candles, which means 16 hours battle at this level, which is 786 level. 4 hour time frame, as you can see, again the same level we are facing and rejection one after another in this zone. 4 hour time frame is still bullish but not fully ready yet, and therefore I'm a bit cautious about this price action. As we can see, again this level playing a big role, and then it's not allowing to go further up. We are facing a rejection from 1355. In my last video that I said 1240, 1300, I mentioned that we may have a decent chance to take a long. As expected, we saw under the 30 and 120 minute time frames are bullish and confirmed, but 4 hour time frame is not fully ready yet. Also, BTC is in decision zone for now, and at any moment BTC may move either towards north or towards south side, and this may affect to the Ethereum price direction. At this moment, I'll be waiting for a clear entry, which will be if Ethereum managed to break and stay above all-time high, which is 1430, 1450 area, then I think we have a decent chance to take a long. And I would like to mention that this is the second time that Ethereum is giving us a hope, and the price is pumping and coming back, dumping hardly. Same scenario, price went up and then dumped hardly again in here. So that's why I would like to be cautious, and I would wait to break all-time high, retest it and go further up, or clear breakout, and I might get into around these areas which I mentioned earlier on. So under the lower time frames we are bullish, however high time frames are not ready. As a result, price coming and retesting the support lines, which is 618 all the way up to 382 levels. And once we broke this zone, as you can see, we have got a blue sky zone. For bear scenario, if Ethereum loses 1175, then we will be facing all around further down. So we've got high time frame support levels, as you can see it, 960 and 1030 areas, where we have a high time frame support levels that matches with our high time frame Fibonacci golden zone, and this is exactly where our support level is. Under a daily time frame, the candle looks beautiful, but again, as I said, we should close the level which I mentioned. That's going to give us around above 1400 level. And if we look into a weekly time frame, we have got 3 hours 28 minutes. However, at this moment the candle, the current week candle, doesn't really look bad. I will be looking at it in the coming videos in the next week. If you're not following me via Twitter, I highly recommend you to follow me at CryptoMagnate8, where I will post instant updates for BTC, Ethereum and rest of the altcoins. If you have a reasonable questions regarding technical analysis, or you want to learn technical analysis, one-on-one intense under 10-hour mentorship is available, or if you need a consultation, my DM is always open. Let's move on to the BTC. 30-minute time frame couldn't hold and moving towards the bear zone. 1 hour as well as 4-hour time frames are underwater. I don't need to go individually, they are all under a water. In yesterday's update via Twitter, I mentioned that 236 zone, which is 31,455 area, this area, we should hold it. The price came first time and we hold it as expected, and we went further up. As you can see, we got rejection, dollar to dollar rejection, 33,116 level. And just now, 40 minutes ago, we closed a 4-hour candle, and 4-hour candle actually seems broken, but this may be a fake out, and we still have a hope we will be going towards, again, 382 area, and we will see how the price action will react from there. Nearly 20 hours, we're still holding this 236. So as we couldn't reach actually 382 area, that yesterday I said it, I'm keeping an eye on still 0.5 area, which is 34,460 area. As you can see, 382 didn't allow, and at the moment this price action on the lower time frame are a bit tricky at this stage. If we manage to hold this area 31,500, I would say, then still we can have a chance to go and to test first of all 382 and further up 0.5 level, which is 34,500. However, in a bear scenario, if it fails to do so, and we have a decent chance of testing the previous low, which is 28,800 and 29,100 area. So at the moment we are at crucial level, so we need to watch 0.236 area, and in this range, previous low, we have a higher time frame Fibonacci golden zone as well as our higher time frame support. It matches over here, and I'm expecting if we go further down and then we should hold it this time, then it will be updated when we come in this area. At the same time, I'm also following under a lower time frame, 1 hour and 2 hour time frame, I'm following this parallel channel. As you can see, since we got rejection from 40,000 level, it's been played an amazing role. Resistance, resistance, and it was acting as a support. Midlines as well, it was acting as a support and resistance. At the moment, as you can see, dollar to dollar rejection from this median line. So right now we are facing with a median line of this parallel channel as a support, where it always confluence with our Fibonacci levels and higher time frame support and resistance levels. So at this stage we are having a support in here. You can see we are at a support line where it matches again, median line matches nearly with a 236, and again if we come further down, I'm hoping these areas lower line should hold. Under a daily time frame, since we got rejection from 42,000 all around here, the price action doesn't look good. However, we are still bullish. As you can see, we have a lot of red candles, which is reasonable by the way. Since the beginning of October, we are pumping without any correction. Probably this will be on the higher time frame, slight further correction. If we lose, as I said, current fib level, then we may go and test previous low all the way up until $29,000. Weekly time frame. If we look into the weekly time frame, same scenario. Since the September, actually weekly time frame since September, we had a parabolic move, and this last 2 weeks candle doesn't really look good. However, having said that, we are still extremely bullish under a weekly time frame, and this type of correction, it would be a reasonable, and we still be holding a bullish structure under a daily and weekly time frame. I'm going to mention that if we're going to lose 29,000 under a daily time frame, we have a weekly supports down here around 26,000 or so, and for now it is quite early to talk about it. If we're going to lose $29,000, I will update it accordingly. If you want to see more videos how to trade successfully, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and also press the notification bell to get an instant updates. This is all for today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.